Well, because I can't seem to do anything without a camera in my face these days. It's Green Bin Wednesday. There's our friend. There's our friend. But today I just thought I would do some cleanup. It's looking a little shabby around the B&B, so I just want to do some cleanup around here. So just thought I'd take you on the journey with me and make it look nice again. All right, let's go. Alright, you guys, just a little cleanup today. Hope you guys are well. I'm Robert Jones, keeping it clean around the house and B&B. So, a little wet. Anyway, hope you guys are well. Take care.